Hi everyone, we're here at the Staten Island Zoo with Lucy, our Sun Conure. She's very beautiful and vibrant. So Sun Conures come in colors just like Lucy, and they're mostly found in the tropical forest. So she blends in very well to different trees and different foliage and different plants that are in the tropics, and that's why she has these beautiful colors. They do like to eat seeds most of the time, and they're great seed dispersers. So seed dispersers, when animals poop, they'll actually distribute seeds into the dirt. So that helps trees and different plants to grow. So it's actually like a living conservation effort. These animals really help plants grow. So Lucy here is very vocal. She makes lots of different noises. She's very excited to be on the Papa at the Zoo YouTube channel and hopes to see you guys soon at the zoo.